Yes, sir.
Alright, take your unloaded sight picture.
Thanks.
Well, I just assumed when you told me you had to get me, so it's
whatever the fuck that is.
Yeah, so I just assumed it was in the road.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That way it's not in one
Alright.
place in case.
Alright, load and make ready.
Well, I said, whatever. You do whatever you want to do. I don't care.
I mean, I grab stuff now. I mean, I'm pretty much.
Alright, shooter, are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. 4.32, 4.32 clean.
I know, John.
Alright.
Shooter, are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by.
I mean, you really should be in this.
3.63, 3.63 clean. Shooter, are you ready?
Okay, please run that.
Yep.
Just to be safe.
Sorry.
It's cool.
Alright, you ready?
Yep.
Shooter, are you ready? Stand by. 4.28 clean. Unload, show clear. Clear. And hammer. Yep. Go ahead and case or holster. All right, all good.
Thank you.
Yeah. Shoot for a holster.
No, I'm just gonna use a table. I just carry it around in the holster.
Okay. So take your unloaded sight picture.
As always, do you understand the course of fire?
You understand the course of fire.
Yes, sir.
You take your unloaded sight picture. Load and make ready. Shooter, are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. 11.73 clean.
Okay.
Should have asked you. Would you like me to call your missus or?
Oh yeah, if you don't mind.
Yeah.
Thanks.
You know, I do all the time because that's how my brain works.
Shooter, are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Ten point three three clean. Unload and show clear. Clear. Drop the hammer. Good.
Thanks.
Thank you. You're two. Do you understand the course of fire?
Yes, sir.
Take an unloaded sight picture.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reload. 11. And then the other way. All right.
right, load and make ready. Shooter, are you ready?
Yep.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Shooter, are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. .55 clean. I'm trying to call your missiles, but again, you're making them faster than I can say.
That's okay.
All right, ready for the second string.
Yes, sir.
Shooter, are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. .10.23. Unload, show clear. Clear.
So the center plate, the center swinging plate, you just barely trimmed it. See the 10 o'clock hit right on the edge? That was you.
I thought it was
this.
close. Thanks. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reload. 11. Easy enough.
All right, load and make ready. Shooter, are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. .10.81 clean. Go ahead and load for your second string.
All right.
Shooter, are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. .05, 10.05 clean. Unload, show clear, and drop the hammer. Good.
Thanks.